As a judge in the Healing to Wellness Court, I try to make a connection with a participant to let them know that I care about their well-being, I care about their success. I try very hard to encourage them and ask them how they're doing with their families, their lives, just everyday things that they're involved with so that they know that we care about them. And it comes from a genuine place. And how are you feeling today? I can't remember if I asked you that. How do you feel about where you're at right now?
I feel really good.
Okay, good.
You know, things could be better. Today I was supposed to graduate, but you know, we're here now again.
Well,
so.
just keep moving. Just keep moving forward. You know, we want you to be engaged. We want you to continue to be here. We think you're a role model for other participants as well, and that's important. You know, everything that everybody adds to this program, and all the participants take something from it, and it helps them be stronger to hear from you and everybody else. It's difficult sometimes to make a connection with some of these individuals because they've never maybe had that before. Maybe they've never had somebody care about what they're doing or their success or even their sobriety. Nobody's ever tried to get them on the right track or motivate them to do better or maybe to seek education or just to help themselves. And so we're trying to provide that support. And a lot of them don't necessarily have their families nearby. They may be here in Albuquerque living on their own or isolated from their communities. And so in a sense, we're trying to be that community for them and maybe that family for them. What are you most proud of right now?
What I'm most proud of is the way it feels in my house. Mm-hmm. There's warmth and you can really, I mean, there was always love, but you can just feel the warmth and the love there. It's peaceful now.
Being a native judge, tribal judge before I came to Metro Court, I think has really helped me to understand the needs of our participants, because as a tribal judge at both Isleta Pueblo and Zia Pueblo, I saw the same issues with the participants. Also as a public defender attorney, you're still dealing with the population that has alcoholism, drug addictions, and so but seeing it from the small community point of view and seeing individuals come into your court, you know, the courts in Native communities are more of an informal setting a lot of times, and so individuals are not represented by attorneys. So they don't have attorneys speaking on their behalf. So as a tribal judge, a lot of times you're speaking to the defendant on a one-on-one basis. And so you do try to make a connection with them. We're proud of you. You've come this far, you're still going, you're gonna keep going, and we're here for you. And so keep doing what you're doing. And we're all here, David's here, Val, and even First Nations if you wanna go see them. You know, and Sophie's here if there's any other legal issues you wanna talk to her about. Mm-hmm. But anything you need, we're here. We want you to graduate, complete the program successfully. We want you to come back. We want to hear from you and you know that you're doing well. And that's what's most important to us is knowing that you're doing well and letting you leave in a good place.